my friends, this song holds a special place in my heart. Not just because when it came out on the Rumours album in 1977, I was about to be 17 years old. I absolutely loved it. It's the song that looks like it was just plopped down from the heavens to be put onto the album because it's so unlike everything else. It is a pure love melody and it's brilliantly done. But the reason it holds kind of a special place for me is when I was in my early 20s, a girlfriend I had at the time evidently heard me singing this song, Songbird, in the shower, wherever I was singing it. And she would ask me to sing it to her every night at bedtime. And so I sang this song to my girlfriend every night at bedtime. I think that's the only time that's ever happened in my life. And so obviously it moves me. Christine's voice moved me. The woman herself moves me. She was such a lovely person. I'm dedicating this day, my reactions on this day, to Christine McVie, who tragically, in my perspective, died last Wednesday, 1 week ago. And I'll just think about her instead of my girlfriend. I'm going to think about Christine when I hear this time. And let's jump in. I mean, this was the story behind this. I won't even get into it. It's kind of a famous story. A dream in the middle of the night, and she wakes up and records it, sings it, plays it on a piano next to her, and everything else. It's a wonderful story. Go look it up if you're interested. And I was really surprised that they put this on the Rumours album instead of, I think, Landslide or something else. It shows how much they appreciated quality music because it just doesn't, a ballad or a melody just doesn't get much better than this, more affecting. Here we go. That chord at the beginning.
For you, there'll be no more crying.
I love how she drags it out there.
For you, the sun will be shining, and I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right.
Playing piano and singing at the same time. Amazing. Gorgeous.
To you, I'll give the world. To you, I'll never be cold.
Wow.
'Cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. And the songbirds are singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before.
Wow. Love that tremolo in her voice.
And I wish you all the love in the world,
I honestly don't know how an artist can create such a piano riff, a tune to for 3 minutes on something like that. I don't know how they can do it. I don't know how Beethoven did his thing. I don't know how Christine did this here. And then the her voice is just, it's like heartbreaking. It's like, I don't know what it is. It's just so buttery smooth and smoky and so emotional and yet soothing at the same time. And it soars. It makes my soul soar every time I hear this. Not just the lyrics, but the music and everything. Anyway, y'all let me know what you think. Take care. Bye now.